Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're eager to discover how you can turn back the clock and feel like you're 10 years younger, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving into 13 superfoods that can rejuvenate your body, boost your energy, and enhance your youthful glow. These superfoods are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and other compounds that promote overall health and wellness. From glowing skin to increased vitality, these foods can help you feel and look your best. So let's get started on your journey to a younger, healthier you. 1. Blueberries. First on our list are blueberries, often dubbed a superfood due to their impressive nutrient profile. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which combat oxidative stress and neutralize harmful free radicals. This antioxidant power helps protect your skin from premature aging and reduces inflammation in the body. Blueberries are also high in vitamin C and K. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful, while vitamin K supports healthy blood circulation, which can enhance skin appearance. To incorporate blueberries into your diet, try adding them to your morning smoothie, yogurt, or oatmeal. You can also enjoy them as a snack or mix them into baked goods for a delicious and nutritious boost. 2. Avocados. Next up are avocados, a creamy superfood that's loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are great for maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. Avocados are also rich in vitamins E and C. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage caused by the sun and environmental pollutants, while vitamin C aids in collagen production, further enhancing skin firmness and reducing wrinkles. Additionally, avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Enjoy avocados sliced on toast, blended into smoothies, or as a creamy addition to salads. Their versatility makes them a fantastic choice for a healthy, age-defying diet. 3. Spinach. Spinach is our third superfood and is renowned for its impressive array of nutrients. This leafy green is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, all of which play key roles in maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A supports skin cell regeneration, vitamin C provides antioxidant protection, and vitamin K helps with blood clotting and reducing dark circles under the eyes. Spinach also contains lutein and beta-carotene, antioxidants that help protect the skin from UV damage and support overall skin health. For a youthful glow, add spinach to your salads, smoothies, or as a cooked side dish. Its mild flavor makes it easy to incorporate into a variety of meals, helping you enjoy its numerous benefits. 4. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews, are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to a youthful appearance. Almonds are an excellent source of vitamin E, which helps protect the skin from oxidative damage and supports moisture retention. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Cashews provide zinc, essential for maintaining skin health and healing wounds. Including a handful of mixed nuts in your daily diet can help improve skin elasticity, reduce inflammation, and boost overall vitality. Enjoy nuts as a snack, add them to salads, or use them as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support a youthful appearance. They are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, vital for maintaining healthy skin and vision. Vitamin A promotes cell turnover and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Sweet potatoes also contain antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Their high fiber content supports healthy digestion and stable energy levels. To enjoy the benefits of sweet potatoes, try roasting them, mashing them, or adding them to soups and stews. They offer a sweet, nutritious addition to any meal. 6. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining youthful skin and overall health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, improve skin hydration, and support brain function. Salmon is also rich in astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from UV damage and maintains its elasticity. Regular consumption of salmon can enhance your complexion, reduce signs of aging, and support heart health. Enjoy salmon grilled, baked, or as part of a salad. Its rich flavor and health benefits make it a standout choice for anyone looking to feel and look younger. 7. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits and is a fantastic superfood for maintaining youthful vitality. It contains polyphenols, especially epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG), which have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help protect the skin from damage, support healthy metabolism, and improve cognitive function. Drinking green tea regularly can also boost your energy levels and enhance overall well-being. For a refreshing way to enjoy green tea, brew a cup and add a slice of lemon or a splash of honey. You can also try green tea supplements if you prefer a more concentrated dose. 8. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are not only visually stunning, but also packed with antioxidants that support a youthful appearance. These compounds support skin health, improve heart health, and may even have anti-cancer properties. Pomegranates also contain vitamins C and K, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and overall wellness. Enjoy pomegranate seeds on their own, add them to salads, or drink pomegranate juice for a tasty and nutritious way to support your health. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is a golden spice with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, thanks to its active compound curcumin. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation in the body, which can support joint health and improve skin appearance. It has also been shown to improve brain function and support heart health. Incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to curries, soups, or smoothies. For an extra health boost, try turmeric tea or golden milk, a comforting beverage made with turmeric, milk, and a hint of honey. 10. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty superfoods packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. The omega-3s in chia seeds help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and maintain skin elasticity. The high fiber content aids in digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Chia seeds can absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency, making them a versatile ingredient for puddings, smoothies, and baked goods. Add chia seeds to your yogurt or oatmeal, or make chia seed pudding for a nutrient-rich snack. 11. Oranges. Oranges are not only refreshing but also packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for maintaining youthful skin. Vitamin C helps in collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Oranges also contain antioxidants that protect the skin from damage and support immune function. Enjoy oranges as a snack, drink fresh orange juice, or add them to salads for a tangy, vitamin-rich boost. 12. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a colorful addition to any diet and are loaded with vitamins A and C. These vitamins help promote healthy skin and support the immune system. Bell peppers also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein, which protect the skin from environmental damage and promote a youthful appearance. Add bell peppers to salads, stir-fries, or as a crunchy snack to enjoy their vibrant flavor and health benefits. 13. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich superfood that supports muscle health and helps maintain a healthy weight. It contains probiotics which promote gut health and improve digestion. A healthy gut can positively impact your overall well-being and contribute to a youthful appearance. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium, which supports bone health. Enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack, mix it into smoothies, or use it as a base for creamy dressings. And there you have it, minus 13 superfoods that can help you feel 10 years younger. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can boost your energy, improve your skin health, and enhance your overall vitality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and delicious recipes. Share your favorite superfoods in the comments below, and let us know how these foods have made a difference in your life. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, younger you.